How to cancel your booking on Frontier Airlines and get a refund. First, you need to open your Frontier application. After that, you want to log in into your account, and at the bottom of your screen you can see 4 options, and at the bottom of your screen you can see 5 options called Home, Book, My Trip, Status and Info. You want to tap on your status, and if you have any active flights you'll be able to see it over here, and you can simply tap on it. And if you have an active flight over here, you can simply tap on it and cancel your flight. And here at the bottom of your screen, you can see 5 options called Home, Book, My Trip, Status and Info. And if you have an upcoming flight, you'll be able to see your booking over here. You can simply tap on that booking over there. You can simply tap on that booking and you'll be able to cancel your trip from there. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, make sure to leave a comment down below.